So I'm gonna bring my inner child out and I'm going to review this Stunt double-sided Stunt car. It's an RC car, remote controlled car, that is going to be a lot of fun to review and play with it, because you know that's for the kids. So first I'm going to show you how it looks, what comes in the box, and then we're going to do a video of it in action. I love it. I love it already. So check it out. This is what comes in there. Everything you need is in there. See? So it's remote controlled. But remember those remote controls we used to have back then? Very different now. This is the real deal. With two action on both sides. There's different ways of controlling this. Before, it was very different when I was a kid. It comes with the battery and all the tools that you need to put it together. And these are the rechargeable batteries. The other batteries are for the remote control. These are the rechargeable batteries for the car. Comes with two of these. And this car runs. So this is double action. So these wheels run in different directions, right? And depending on how they run, it's going to be the action that you're going to see. So let me show you how cool this car looks. You see that? Really nice, huge wheels, so that it could run like this or like this. It doesn't matter, right? And let me show you the car, how cool it is. This is the 80s back. The 80s are back. You see that? A pink like Corvette style, like sports car. It's the same like this, and if you turn it around like that, it's the same, you see? And the battery goes here. You see, the battery goes in there. So I'm gonna charge the battery, and then I'm gonna bring out the kid to play with the car. Let me show you once again so you see what you're getting when you get it in the box. It's really cool color, very bright, cool color. The wheels are made out of really tackified rubber, right? That's gonna last for a long time. And then the car is made out of plastic, like all RC cars have always been made, you know, because it needs to be light materials with a strong engine, right? In this case, this is a 2.5, right? Engine that will, you know, give you a lot of torque, a lot of speed, and give you hours of fun. So this is the first part of the video. I just wanted you to see it, right? And then we're gonna see it in action. We're gonna have some fun with it.